All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive.
Yeah, let's jump in.
So have you ever, wished there was a magic button you could just press
Oh, yeah.
to just get, tons of people to see, your website or whatever it is you're working on online?
For sure, for sure.
Today, we are going to be talking about something called Easy Traffic Bot. And it kind of claims to be I don't know, the next best thing to that magic button.
Yeah.
So Easy Traffic Bot is a system
Okay.
that teaches users
Uh-huh.
how to create
Right.
AI-powered tools
Interesting.
using GPT technology to generate free targeted traffic.
Free targeted traffic, who doesn't want that?
I know I do.
That's the big question, right?
Yeah.
Is this the real deal or is this just another hype machine? Let's find out. So let's break this down a little bit.
Yeah.
So Easy Traffic Bot, it's a system.
Yep.
It's got like a step-by-step guide.
Oh, cool.
It has pre-written templates, and it even has like some bonus training to help you.
And they're really emphasizing that anybody can do this.
Okay.
Like, you don't have to be a tech expert to use this.
Yeah.
And so the goal here is that you're going to be able to generate leads and grow your business.
Right.
And they even offer a money-back guarantee.
So there's no risk.
So there's no risk at all.
Oh.
They're offering this entire thing
Right.
for just $47.
Wow, that's
So we've talked about GPT technology before on the show.
we have.
But for people who are new or people who need like a refresher,
Yeah.
can you kind of break it down for us? What is GPT technology?
Yeah, so GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer.
Okay.
And it's this really cool type of artificial intelligence that has learned to understand and generate human-like language. And it does that by being trained on a massive amount of text data.
So it's like read like every book in the library.
Pretty much.
Yeah, now it can write
And now it can write.
like Shakespeare.
It can write like Shakespeare. It can write code. It can write all sorts of things.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so in terms of like getting traffic,
Right.
how does that actually work?
Okay, so imagine you have this super smart AI that understands what people are searching for online,
Right.
and then it can generate content that is tailored to those interests.
Okay.
So let's say you have a website about, I don't know,
Knitting.
knit-in. Okay.
Yeah.
This AI can create blog posts about the latest knitting trends.
Uh-huh.
It can come up with social media updates about your new knitting patterns. It can even write catchy ad copy headlines to get people to click on your ads.
Oh, wow.
And because this content is specifically targeted to what people are already looking for,
Yeah.
it's much more likely that they're going to be interested in what you have to offer.
Okay, so it's not just like random traffic.
Right, exactly.
It's targeted traffic.
People who actually want to see knitting stuff.
Exactly, yeah.
So Easy Traffic Bot gave an example
Oh, yeah.
of a woman named Pamela Williams.
Pamela. And she used Easy Traffic Bot
Sure.
to create and launch her own AI tool.
Oh, wow.
And it was called AI Email Pro Copy Generator.
That's a mouthful,
It is a mouthful.
but a good one.
But so basically what it is
Yeah.
that this tool helps people write
Uh-huh.
emails.
Okay.
So it can write like really persuasive emails
Interesting.
that convert into sales.
That's awesome.
So basically she took this training from Easy Traffic Bot,
Uh-huh.
figured out how to use this GPT technology,
Yeah.
and then created her own product
And launched it.
and launched it out into the world,
Wow. That's really impressive.
which is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, I would love to be able to do that.
I think a lot of people would.
Yeah.
Like, it just shows you the potential of this stuff.
Yeah, and she didn't even have to be like
Right.
a coder or anything.
Exactly.
Like, she just had to learn this system.
Yeah.
So it seems like Easy Traffic Bot is a really legit way
Huh?
to harness the power of AI for traffic generation.
It really does.
Like I said, they kind of hold your hand through the process.
Yeah.
And we have these real world examples
Real people.
of people who have actually succeeded with this.
Yeah. It's inspiring.
So I guess the question to leave our listeners with is,
Okay.
what could you create
Ooh,
using this technology?
that's a good question.
Like, what kind of AI powered tool
All right.
could you create to like drive traffic to your work or to your interests?
I mean, the possibilities are endless.
Yeah, like imagine
Yeah.
you could have
What the
a
hell?
tool that would write blog posts for you or generate social media content or even come up with video scripts.
Yeah. That would be amazing.
Like, it's kind of crazy to think
Right.
like how accessible this technology is becoming.
Yeah. It's a really exciting time.
Yeah, so if you're interested in learning more about Easy Traffic Bot
Yeah.
or about Pamela Williams' story,
Yeah.
you can find links to all of that
In the show notes.
in the show notes.
Awesome.
All right, thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
Wow, this was fun.
I'll see you next time.
See ya. Bye. Bye.